Welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, and today I'm gonna be unboxing a brand new reel. Super excited to open this and share it with you guys, the whole process of my thoughts and first impression. I'm going to end up doing a review over it. Now, the first thing I do wanna say is the previous reel that I'm replacing, this Daiwa Phantom Hyper LT, it is an absolute beast in a reel. I've had it for about 6 years. It has been through a lot of fishing, a lot of services, and overall it has held up perfectly fine for me. I did have some issues with it with the line roller. Now, the first thing with the line roller is the sealing is not really great, or I'm just putting it through a lot of rough conditions, but I did get it stuck twice. And due to that, I lost a good amount of fish, whether it be from the drag being too tight and the fish trying to make a run and the tension was too high and it made my lure pop off or it broke the line. But that was the number one issue that I had first of all with this reel. Now, I probably could have serviced it better. Some of the technicians told me about this cleanse oil. Works really well, so usually I will just go in and put a drop in that line roller area and then let gravity do its course. Other thing with this reel that I had issues with is you can tell that right here, this screw, it's not locking into plate, and that's probably just due to the deterioration of the reel over time. Now, let's get to the unboxing. So, I replaced my Daiwa with another one. This one's gonna be the top of the line, the Saltiga 23 model, 6000 XH. The specs are right here on the back. All right. So first we got the handle. Doesn't spin too well, but it is absolutely beautiful. Love the big power knob. Feels very smooth in the hand. Now, a lot of people have been saying that these little cracks are gonna be a little bit of an issue in terms of cleaning, so I will have to see how that goes, okay? Other than that, we have our reel. Wow. That is a beauty. Now, looking at it, it is very visually pleasing, just like the other Saltiga model, just a smaller size. The clicker sounds great. Feels really good. Super smooth. Very light and easy to move. Rotation is good. Should have the air drive, I believe, on here, so it should be an easy startup for the crank. Let's take a look at the inside. Just love that clicker sound. Very clean. Here's the inside. Let's zoom in. Okay. The screw for the line roller is going to be on the inside this time. It's not on the outer piece. Looks a lot smoother. It's a monocoque body, so it has the bigger gear. Overall, first impression looks stunning. Super excited to throw on some line and be able to use this. Really love that drag sound. All right. Well, there you have it. The Saltiga 23 6000 size.